Hi, I'm in my bed, comfortable. Let's get into the video. I'm just literally just gonna let y'all know about like what I do. Well, not what I do, but just what I do. You know, on a random day. So here we are. I rewatch like what is it? Videos. I rewatch videos. Because that's what I like to do, especially if it's like comfort videos. And I'm watching Bose versus the World on my Switch, and I'm shopping online because I'm gonna get some stuff. Ooh, look. Okay, so let me just show you the shoes. And my screen is yellow because of my eyes. And oh my god, you can't even see it. It's literally too bright. Okay, it's like I was just plopping on the screen over here. Yeah, so they're like ballerina shoes or whatever. And okay, so I was gonna get these earrings. Like, these are so cute. Oh my god. I wonder if like anyone else like these type of earrings, like this type of style. I was gonna get this necklace. I'm not too sure. Oh, this one. Can't really freaking see it. I'll show the picture, you know. I was gonna get I like these arm warmers, but they're red for like an outfit I had in mind. And then like I don't know if I want to get these knee highs, but in white or cream. Yeah, it was like a cream or off white. And then I was gonna get this top right here. You know, I like this stuff. I like shopping. I'm just showing you like what's like the stuff in my cart. This top is so cute. It reminds me of like a type Bernie Melville will probably have or something. You know what I mean? Okay. Yeah. Oh, and like I was looking at these nails. Like I've been really into the press on nails because of TikTok. Also follow me on TikTok. I was gonna get these. Oh my god, these right here. Oh my god, they're like so cute. There were some other ones too that I'm gonna show as well. Yeah. And what else? And yeah, so I just love like it's on what is it? Shopping on AliExpress. I like buying accessories from them, and I've never bought like shoes, but I bought accessories from them because like that's like the only thing I trust, like the accessories, because if the accessories break, it doesn't matter because it's only like $1 or $2. You know what I mean? Like these are so cute, but I don't really like long nails. Yeah. They like bunnies with strawberries on them. So cute. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my god, I didn't even see these. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. I have them in my dolly concept list I have for years. Yeah, one thing, like when I like shop on AliExpress and there's a listing that don't have like any reviews, like nothing, I message the shop and ask them if I can see the packaging of this item or if I can see a picture of the item in their inventory. So how I ask is like, hi, can I see like this in its regular packaging, or can I see a picture of this product? And they will send a picture of the product. And say if it's for 2 listings with the same product, right? Just because if you're unsure and want to compare prices, message those 2 shops the same exact question. And I don't know, because sometimes I be thinking they be using like the same pictures and stuff, even faking like inventory pictures. But most of the time I always give them the benefit of the doubt, and I usually trust them because you know it's just different. Like the pictures are just different each time. But yeah, you could just do it like that too. That's like one thing it's like a little cautious thing. If you don't want to risk it, you want to have a little bit of confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was looking at these two. Those. That's so cute. Yeah. I've been trying to go back into being coquette and stuff, getting more of my pink stuff again. Cause I like being kawaii, but like I haven't bought any like shirts or stuff lately, so I go back to being coquette. I like the girly fashion or whatever and stuff like that. Yeah, cybercore and Y2K. Yeah. Anyways, I've been asking like people for their music recommendations lately, and I've been liking like the glitch core music. Oh my god, I sound like, yeah. And it's been fun. I think it's been fun. I cannot list the artists at the top of my head. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm too lazy to go on my Spotify and check. So yeah, it's just gonna be a mystery, I guess. Excuse my fingers. I have to keep them short for my job, so I was gonna get these rings. I like those. I like that like the design. It's pretty great. I was gonna get some earrings like that. Here, let me show you the earrings I have in my cart. Oh, I was like, oh, it's the same listing. Like, I was gonna get the ring on top. And then what else? Like these studs. Yeah, like the studs. Like these studs for my earrings. I have, what, like 1, 2, 3, 4 piercings? Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll just cut the video short. Bye, I guess.